Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Even though everyone is excited about the new Russian fighter Su-75 Checkmate, which was revealed during MAX 2021 International Air Show, there was another important decision which was made during the same air show, and this is regarding the Indian Air Force MiG-29 fighter jets upgrade. As per the update provided by the Director of Russia's Federal Service for Military and Technical Cooperation, the upgrade of the Indian Air Force MiG-29 fighters to MiG-29 UPG level will be completed by 2022. This modernization decision for the MiG-29 fighters is not a new deal or contract, but it is due to be completed in 2022 under an existing contract. Under this contract, 60 MiG-29 fighters of the Indian Air Force would be upgraded to the MiG-29 UPG level, which is the most advanced variant of MiG-29. This is obviously a good news for the Indian Air Force, since once these MiG-29 fighters are upgraded using latest avionics like Zhuk Me radar, a new engine, a weapon control system, and DRDO developed D-29 electronic warfare system, it will get these enhanced fighters to perform multi-role capabilities. Another update which has been received during MAX 2021 is regarding the delivery of 21 MiG-29 fighter jets which were approved by the Defense Ministry last year, along with 12 Sukhoi Su-30 MKI fighters. As per the defense sources, Russia has handed over a commercial offer to deliver the 21 MiG-29 fighters, and the Indian Air Force staff received the tender request. These new 21 MiG-29 fighters, along with the upgrade plan of the existing MiG-29 fighters, will help in meeting the Indian Air Force requirement of new fighter jets and also help in boosting the air defense role. So let's expect both the upgradation of existing MiG-29 fighter jets to MiG-29 UPG and also the induction of the 21 MiG-29 happens at the earliest. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more updates and news on aviation and also on the defense topic. Thank you.